Today, we're diving into the world of next-gen gaming memory with the V-Color DDR5 Manta XPrism 32GB kit. Boasting a whopping 32GB capacity, 16GB x2, this RAM module is engineered for the most demanding gamers and content creators alike. Let's talk performance. With a blazing fast 6400 MHz speed, PC5-51200, this DDR5 module is designed to keep up with the most intense gaming sessions and multitasking endeavors. Thanks to its CL32 timing and Hynix ICs, overclocking enthusiasts will find plenty of headroom for pushing their system to the limit while maintaining rock-solid stability. But it's not just about speed, it's also about style. The redesigned RGB light bar adds a touch of flair to any build, with smooth and vibrant lighting customizable through major motherboard brands' RGB software. Whether you prefer the mesmerizing glow of MSI Mystic Light, the seamless integration of Asus Aura Sync, or the versatility of Ashrock Polychrome, this RAM module has you covered. Durability is key, especially for gamers who push their systems to the max. The premium tailored heatsink ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping performance uncompromised even under extreme loads. So whether you're gaming like a pro or editing 4K videos with ease, this RAM kit has your back. In summary, the V-Color DDR5 Manta XPrism 32GB kit is the ultimate gaming RAM upgrade. With its combination of speed, style, and reliability, it's a must-have for any serious gamer or content creator looking to take their PC to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.